Okay, so Google has a whole new system for adding contacts. You don't have to go to the old one anymore. And the way you do it is you open up to Google, and I'm assuming you have an account. As you can see, I have an account here. This is a new one that I'm creating for a new business. What you got to do is go to your 9 boxes. You're going to click on it. It's going to give you a drop down. Then you're going to go down to the circular thing that says contacts. And as you notice, as I rub my cursor over it, it kind of gives it a little box and kind of highlights it. So we're going to open that up. Bam. And as you can see, I don't really have any contacts in here yet because I just created the account. But what we're going to do is we're going to create a new contact. And what you do is you bring your cursor over here, over create contact with this little rainbow cross, and you see another little box comes up, tells you what it is, says add a new contact, so it gives you a little information about it. And you're just going to click on it. It's going to bring up another window right in the center, and it's going to darken everything behind it. And you're going to go ahead and add your contact. I'm just going to add myself, Tom, and I'm going to put Lehman, and I'm going to do it Tom at tomlehman.com, and then I'm going to put my phone number 561-777-7, and that's it. That's how you do it. And then you just hit save. Bam, done. Look at that, Tom Lehman. It's got all my details. Free gifts from local businesses, blah, blah, blah. Developer tells a little story about me. If I want, I could go to my profile and I could follow myself, or your new contact is basically what you'd be doing. So then we just go here and we just click out of it. If you wanted to do more actions, you can print, export, hide the contact. If you want to edit it, bam, there's your edit. Cancel that, we go back. If you want to star it, make it like this is a very important one, bam, there we just start it. Or apparently we put it in there twice for some reason. Start contact 1, whatever. So that's their new system. Now get out of it, bam. And then we look over here, here's our contact, it's in there. So that's how you do the new add or create a new contact in Google Contacts. And that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out all my other awesome videos on different types of things that you can do in Google with calendars and Gmail and all kinds of stuff. And then I also have stuff on Mac and iPhone and of course YouTube. All right, thanks a lot. Bye.